Nicole from Ladies Unique Creations again. Yeah. I guess I have to keep saying that for people who haven't seen the videos before, but for those who have watched them, you already know I'm Nicole. So today I'm going to show you how to erect a instant table. In my case, what you see, the space that I have here, is all the space I have to work and do the things that I want to do. On that side I have a skee ball machine, so that takes up quite a bit of space, and on this side is just, I don't even want to deal with it. It's storage and a bunch of other things. So I don't have much space. So I don't have space to have a table here permanently. I don't have space to have a workbench or anything like that. So I figured out how to make an instant table. You use a piece of plywood and 2 sawhorses. It's pretty simple. So I got these 2 sawhorses right here from Walmart. And they're pretty cheap. I think it was $30 for the 2 of them. So all I do is put down my sawhorses where I want them, which usually is a little further out because I have my table saw behind me. So about right here. And then I put the other one next to it, about right there. And then I got this piece of plywood. I got this from Home Depot. It came cut like this already. I didn't have to cut it. No, it won't fit in a car, a regular size car. We tried. You'll have to tie it to the top of your car. But it makes this so much more convenient because instead of not having a table or a workspace that I can work on, I can make a table and I can take it down anytime I want. So make sure that your sawhorses are even and they're in the spot that you want them in. And then, kind of left myself with no space here. And then you just slide it up and lift it. And then there's your instant table. And then just to take it down, just take your piece of wood off, put your sawhorses up, and then store them wherever you want to store them. If, excuse me, if the plywood, if you don't like plywood, I have melamine over here. That's this right here. I could put this. This is about the same size. I think it's just a little bit longer than my plywood. It's the same width. So, if you're ever in a jam and you need a table and you don't have the space for it, I recommend just making this little instant table. It's easy, it's quick, you don't need 50 million people to lift it. As you saw, I did it. Yeah, I struggled a tiny bit, but I was able to do it. So, until next time, please like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any suggestions for me, and I will see you guys later.